How to use coupons on Temu. First of all, launch the Temu application in your mobile device. After that, make sure to log in with your Temu account. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your home page. Now, tap on U icon from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Now, under this page, tap on Coupons and Offers. If you navigate at the top of this interface, there is a text box that says Enter Coupon Code. Tap on it now. Type in the code on your coupon card or enter your coupon code. Once you enter your correct coupon code, tap on Apply. And during your checkout in your Temu purchase, your coupon code or your promo code will be applied. And according to your code, you will have a certain amount of discount or offer in the product that you're about to check out from Temu. So that's how you can use coupons on Temu, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.